Welcome back to another episode, guys. As Garcia says, welcome back! We're gonna make a Asian slaw with a pan-seared burger. Stick with me, guys. This one's gonna be one you do not wanna miss. What we have here is just a nice little tomato. We're gonna slice it thin. We're also gonna slice some sweet onion that we're actually gonna grill on the Madein pan, some fresh pickles, and also lastly, you guys, a nice ripe avocado. So in your bowl, you wanna use some salt. Again, we're making it for about 4 patties, so this is about 1.25 pounds. Go ahead and season it to what you like. We're gonna use some Worcestershire sauce. We're also gonna use some cracked pepper. And then lastly, you guys, this is a pretty good one from McCormick. Garlic and onion, black pepper, and sea salt. Go ahead and mix it all in. Don't be shy. We want everything to get incorporated. Now, when we go to form the patties, this is a cool little hack. I like to use just a little sandwich bag, Ziploc. It helps the plastic slide around so I can actually form the patty. Again, you want to kind of make a little bowl shape with your hand, evenly pressing down on the patty, because that way it will actually pack it down and keep it from falling apart in the pan. Once you do that, go ahead and transfer that to a plate, you guys. Go ahead and stick it in the refrigerator so it can chill. So here's my Madein pan. I've been using it for a little while since it came out, but we're gonna go ahead and see how a burger turns out from a Madein pan. So Madein, I'm calling you out. You better put me on your post because I'm putting you on my post, all right? We are gonna be cooking on like a medium-high heat, all right? So we're gonna get that pan nice and toasty. Ooh, that Christmas episode, guys, was pretty awesome. And now we're just gonna do it simple tonight. One, because we didn't really have enough time to film, and I was craving a burger, so was Leanne. So, yeah, that's what we're doing, right? That's what we're doing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these onions. These are just little sweet onions. I'm gonna grill them on the pan. We have some avocado, of course. We have tomato, and then Leanne really wants some pickles. And so Leanne wants what Leanne gets, right? Right, babe? That's right. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of oil down on the pan. All right. We're gonna put that right there. We just want a little bit of color on this guy, as we're gonna put our buns on, because I want to toast them now. So that's gonna go. We're gonna take a sip of the White Claw, actually. So burgers are all done, as you know. Pretty simple. So they're nice and firm now, nice and cold. All right. So now buns are toasted. All right, so the bun's gonna sit right there. So Madein pan is ready. Now we're gonna add our beef patties. So now, the salad. There's that dressing, nice and cold. When's the last time you guys had a burger? In the comment section below, like right down there. Go ahead and let me know what you guys do. So I'm gonna do a first little flip. Let's check this out. Cool. That's a good one right there. Oh, look at that, Leanne. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of dressing into here. So what I really like about this pan is, you know, it's high carbon steel. It doesn't dent at all. I can really rip it. I mean, it's not really non-stick for certain things like eggs, but you know, tortillas, you know, toasting sandwiches, or just hard searing a steak. You could just, you know, put all that stuff on there, just frickin' cook it like crazy. Cool. I had a kind of a little Christmas present. I wanted to give a little shout out to Mr. Ryan Garcia, Lindsay Bascom, Cohen, and Isla. Okay, thank you guys very much for this awesome cutting board. Take a look. Pretty nice, got it all stenciled out. Ryan's Barbecue, Grill Master. So what I like to do is I'm gonna put a little bit of mayo on it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some pickles. So we're gonna put this one right here. I like to put a little bit of tomato on mine. Just a little bit of avocado, nothing crazy. Push down a little bit. So let's go ahead and cut this bad boy. Look at this thing. This looks like an awesome burger. Okay, ready? All right, guys, let's see what this looks like. It's that time again. So this is a nice Asian slaw. I swear, if you guys try that, that is unbelievable, okay? Now let's go for this burger. This burger's got a lot going on. It's gonna be messy too, but that's okay. We're gonna roll with that, okay? Let me unlock my jaw. Here we go. Guys, wow, that is an amazing burger. So, in the comments, let me know if you guys like that. Also, too, let me know what you guys like to make for burgers. Hey, maybe we'll have a little burger off. All right, guys, until next time, see you later.